In this short video, I have a very important message for any of you who are already investing and also for those who will start investing this year in 2022. It has the potential to save you from missing out on thousands of pounds or dollars worth of gains, so listen very carefully. You need to make sure that the money you deposit into your brokerage account is actually invested into something and not just sitting there as cash. What I mean by that, I mean it isn't enough to simply put the money into your investment account. You actually have to make sure there's a transaction, an investment into something, whether that's a fund or an actual stock. You need to make sure it's invested. I've read and heard of horror stories where people have thought that they've been investing for maybe 10 or 20 years when actually all they've been doing is moving money from their bank account into their investment account or platform, but not actually making sure that it gets invested. So I urge you today, log on to your brokerage or your investment platform, whichever one that you use to invest in the stock market, and make sure that your money is actually invested into something. I guess for further clarity, what I mean by this, the way that you'll know is the breakdown should not say something like 100% cash, because that would indicate that you haven't actually got anything invested. Hit subscribe so you don't make any other mistakes when it comes to investing in the stock market.